All right, this is an updated video on a Muta basement remodel. This is what our bedroom is looking like. Got it framed out. Just a framing update. Got it framed out. We're waiting on an electrician to move a couple of outlets. We're not contracted to do that, so we're gonna let that sit till he gets here. Should be here tomorrow, hopefully. But we got the basement insulated, got the seams all taped up, you know, and come on around. And we got our laundry room framed up. If you look at our earlier video, you see we moved the wall, laundry room wall. We're gonna have a sliding door right here. So we pushed the existing wall back to under the I-beam. We're going to redo the, we're just going to go with the same setup as far as the pre-existing cold air return down here. So we got to finish that up. That's the old school way they did it. So I imagine it was sufficient enough. So we're going to do it. We're just going to update it. We'll give you a video on that once we update it. So we got the utility room framed up. As you can see, some bifold doors there. You come on around, those are the windows we replaced, sliding windows. Replaced the glass block window. Last video told you we had to replace a couple of windows. We replaced that window over there, this window right here, glass block windows. That was fun. Alright, and as you can see, we got it nice and squared up. You know, little trick. I-beam, 5.5 inches. So what you want to use? 2x6, because it's 5.5 inches. There you go. You got to square it up. Going on, when you come on around, this is going to be the kitchen area. Little kitchenette. You know, they're not talking about nothing too big, not having a stove, just more or less a sink, refrigerator, countertop, cabinets. That's it. We got it squared up, as you can see. Come on around. This is gonna be, there's the bathroom. Walk through the bathroom. You know, we got the dehumidifier. Got a rocket dehumidifier. Why? Because it's a basement. We have another video on that. Come on in. As you can see by the diagram, that's where the shower was, toilet was. Vanity. Okay, this is where the bathroom stopped. So we pushed it back a little bit, give them a little storage room. Nothing too much, but just enough so they can store some towels, extra whatnot down in the basement. Storage is very essential, you know. And then we left this wall out because the plumber's coming. He's redoing this, you know, he's redoing all the main stack. Well, that's